Hey, sweetie.
So, guess what we dum-dums didn't do yesterday? Because Michael works, like, practically all day Friday. We didn't vlog, and I pretty much slept all day yesterday, so... yeah. So we're going to do a one take real quick. Michael's about to get on the vlog. On the stream, on the vlog. Toby's being adorable. Hey, Papa Toby. What?
It's funny. Funny puppy.
Funny.
Funny puppy.
You like the puppy?
Oh, yeah.
You love the puppy?
Puppy's OP, man.
Love the puppy, damn it.
Puppy OP, dude.
So I want to show you guys something. Yeah. It's really pretty freaking cool, man. Bam. Goes on our bathroom door. We're putting something above that says beware, and it kind of has like a graveyard type of feel to it. So we thought this was cool. And the eyes light up. What, Tubbs? What is it? What is it, Tubbs? Scaredy puppy. Look, Tubbs. Come here. Come here. Tubby. What is it? What is it? Scaredy puppy. What are you doing, Toes? Is it scary? Is it scary, Toby? It's okay. See, come here. Come here. Come here, baby. What is it? What? No, it's just the door. Come here. See? Come here. Oh, get yourself. See? It's just the door. Look. See? It's not that bad. Silly puppy. Our dog gets scared so freaking easily. It's hilarious. It is so funny. So let's turn on some lights out here too. Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Hey, look, a green light. So tomorrow, I think we're gonna put up the rest of the Halloween stuff. Yep, where's the cord? Where's the cord? There we are. Or not. Okay. So I think tomorrow Toby, what are you doing? I think tomorrow we're gonna put up the rest of the Halloween stuff and everything. Toby? Bobby boy? What you doing? Oh, look. Look at the camera going all fuzzy and stuff. Oh, that's just awesome. So, the lights are now on. So here. Come on, Chub Chubs. Toby, inside. Toby, come here. Toby. Honey.
What's up?
What are you doing? You look really funny.
It's the new thing, man.
Microphone head.
It's the new thing.
But that's the new thing.
It's the new thing. I'm
That
starting to trend.
Is the new
Just
thing.
trend on Twitch. Look as
The
dumb
new
as you
trend?
possibly can.
Oh, jeez.
I think I'm succeeding. Just saying.
You're funny.
I am funny. Yes, I am.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. And then I want to show you guys something else. Oh. Pumpkin! It's still in the bag because there's like mold on the trunk that I gotta. And candy corn! Nummy! Nom 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 candy corn. Nom 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 nom. Candy corn! Do you love candy corn?
Huh?
Do you love candy corn? Please say it is so. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Me and me are the only ones ever. We're the only ones who buy it.
Honey. Boop.
Exactly. Excuse me.
What are you doing? I'm in your
Hey,
way.
friends. Yeah, you actually fucking are.
I'm in your way. Oh, I'm in your way.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright, guys, so I guess we'll end it here. Sorry that it was kind of a boring thing, whatever, but we did want to put something up for you at least. Again, it's about quantity for us, not quality. So yeah, that's why we really didn't put up anything, 'cause nothing was going on for us, but we got some interesting stuff to show you today at least. But we love you guys, and we'll talk to you tomorrow, so peace out.
And deuces.
For the day. Hey guys, go ahead and click that green box too.
Check out tomorrow's vlog.
I almost tricked Michael. I have the worst evil laugh ever.
Yeah,
Ever. And go ahead and click that blue box too.
Check out yesterday's vlog.
Hit that thumbs up button.
To become an M&M.
Thumbs up button on that subscription.
Leave a
button.
like. Leave a like or comment. Leave
I
a like
love
or
you.
comment. Love you too.
You're so cute.
Yeah, I am. Back
Come
up.
here, cutie. Mwah. I go. Oh, I'm going to
Okay.
attack the cutie. I'm going to attack the cutie.
Oh my god.
He loves me, ladies and gentlemen.
I do. She puts up with me.
Alright, we will see you guys tomorrow. We love you. And
catch you
sorry
tomorrow.
again that we're dum-dums and did not, vlog. But, yeah, there really was not much to vlog at all.
True.
Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.